Hi, my name is Dr. Jason Hui. One of the most common questions we get asked is, what kind of services do you guys do in your center? Well, as an integrated medical wellness practice, we offer a variety of different things. We have nurse practitioners, medical physicians, chiropractors, acupuncturists, nutritionists, physical rehab therapists. We do all those services. We treat a number of conditions like fibromyalgia, neuropathy, carpal tunnel syndrome, disc problems in the cervical and lumbar, bulging disc, knee problems, hip problems, and a variety of other conditions as well. If you'd like to know more about these conditions, if we can help you, please look at the information below. Contact our website, give us a call to see if you are a candidate for what we do. Thank you.